Want to resize an image in Canva without cropping? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Normally, when you try to adjust an image to fit your design page, Canva automatically cuts off parts of it. So, here's your workaround. Instead of forcing the image to match the design size, make the design size match your image. Here's how. First, select your image and click on the position button at the top. On the left, you'll see the exact width and height of your image. Note these numbers down. Then click Resize or Copy and Resize, given at the top left. Select the option Custom Size. Now, enter the exact width and height of your image. Once you do that, click on the option Resize this design. And Canva will instantly adjust the page size to match your image dimensions. That's it. Now your image fits perfectly with no cropping at all. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can resize image on your Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.